Welcome to the Townhomes at Newtown Crossing, Lexington, where student life meets comfort, style, and a splash of southern charm. Step into spacious 4-bedroom apartments packed with perks. Think leather-style furniture, hardwood-style floors, granite countertops, and full-size beds. With furnished spaces, sectional sofas, stainless steel appliances, and even electronic key entry, every corner screams convenience. Need a break from the books? Challenge your friends to a game of air hockey or shuffleboard in the 24-hour rec center. Feel the burn at the state-of-the-art fitness center, or cool off in the pool before relaxing in the hot tub. Game night? There's a multimedia area with consoles and a sun deck calling your name. Located at 843 South Broadway, you're minutes away from the University of Kentucky and Transylvania University. Catch your ride from Red Mile at South Broadway or Red Mile at Gate 1 outbound, both just a quick walk away. Why settle for the basics when you can live better? Book your spot at the Townhomes at Newtown Crossing today via amberstudent.com.